Ottawa now accepts the PTE Core for Canadian immigration. From January 30, 2024, Canada now accepts the PTE Core for Canadian immigration for all immigration pathways, aside from the Student Direct Stream, SDS, which will accept the Pearson Test of English, PTE, Core test. This includes Provincial Nominee Program, PNP, candidates, those in Express Entry managed programs, and individuals needing a language test for Canadian immigration or citizenship, excluding SDS. What is the PTE Core for Canadian immigration? The PTE Core is a 2-hour computer-based language test assessing everyday English skills in speaking, writing, reading, and listening skills. The PTE Core replaces the PTE Essential Test, and candidates should ensure they take the correct test for their program. Get a legal assistance from Gunnis & Associates. To reduce the risk of bias, the PTE for Canadian immigration tests is scored by both humans and AI. Test results can be obtained within 2 days. The PTE Core is divided into 3 parts. Speaking and writing, 50 minutes. Reading, 30 minutes. And listening, 30 minutes. Other accepted language tests for Canadian immigration. With the addition of the PTE Core, Immigration, Refugees, and Citizenship Canada, IRCC, now accepts 5 different language tests for immigration purposes. They are CELPIP General Test, English. IELTS General Training, English. PTE Core, English. TEF Canada, and TCF Canada, French. Gunnis & Associates has helped thousands of people successfully immigrate to Canada with their families. Our skilled and experienced immigration experts have the expertise to accurately examine your case and advise you on the best method of proceeding to best serve your needs. Call us at 416-604-2669. Email info@immigrationmatters.info.